I hit up the Nordstrom anniversary sale and I did pick up a few beauty things. I stocked up on some tried and true favorites, and then I picked up some products and sets from brands that I love and that I wanted to try more from, and just things that I knew were going to be good. I didn't get a ton, but I feel like the selection this year, it was smaller, but it was a little bit more curated. And I normally pick up a few things from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, never a ton, because I own everything under the sun. But there was some stuff this year that I really wanted. This is actually their 125th anniversary, so I feel like it was a good one. And if you don't know what the Nordstrom anniversary sale is, basically they have this every year, and it's when new arrivals go on sale. So a lot of times it's new fall items. They will go on sale for the Nordstrom anniversary sale. You buy it, you save some money, and then those items actually go back to full price for the rest of the season. I've been covering the sale for years, so a huge thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video and working with me on selecting some of the best items from the beauty section. If you're watching this, the sale is currently going on and it's officially open to the public until August 9th. And I actually went into store the other day, and I'm warning you, with each passing day, the good stuff is selling out. There was some stuff I missed out on. So yeah, I definitely learned the hard way, but I definitely do recommend going into store if you can. It really feels like an event. There's the Nordstrom anniversary sale, yellow marketing everywhere. There's cute little bows on all of the sets. It's fun. So let me show you what I got. I will have everything that I mentioned in today's video linked down below. The first thing I am so excited about. I've said this multiple times. I've told you this in my recommendations video, but T3 has some of my favorite hair tools. I love me a new hair tool, and this is what middle school Morgan would have died for. I remember wanting something like this, but this was on a really great deal. This is the curling straightener 2-in-1 hairstyle iron from T3. Love T3's hair tools, and I thought this just looked so cool. And so the original price of this is $200, but for the sale it's $134, and it comes even in a gorgeous satin blush shade. So basically this is just a hair straightener, but the outside plates are also heated, so it's a curler and a straightener. So to use it, you just can use it as a normal hair straightener to straighten your hair. To get a full bouncy curl, you just close it. It does come with a heat resistant glove, and you wrap your hair around it, and the shape is round. So the curls are nice and round. Or if you want loose waves, you can use it as if you were curling with a straightener, where you put your hair in between, you twist, and then you pull down. But one of the things that I discovered that's really cool about using this is you can actually curl your ends with this really easily, especially if you have shorter hair. If you're somebody that just likes to add a little bit of texture towards the bottom, some curls and bounce, this is the perfect tool for you. If you're like me and you have frizzy hair where you kind of have to straighten your hair first before curling, this is an easy 2-in-1 tool that easily allows you to straighten your hair first, and then you can go in and curl or wave it how you would like. So I thought that this is a handy dandy tool. Just be careful because the whole thing is really hot, which I put my glove on the wrong hand for the demo, but I do recommend glove. It's not heated here towards the top, but I think that this is genius, and it's T3, so it's not gonna damage your hair as much. It's just a really nice high quality tool. The color is beautiful. I was so excited about this, and I just know that there's so many people who will enjoy this, because I know for me, I'm always, when I use a regular curling iron, I'm trying to straighten my hair first to stop my flyaways. This is the perfect tool to literally straighten my hair first and then go in and give it a nice curl. And I like that I can wrap this around for a curl, because that's normally how I do it. Or I could do the loose waves, which I do need to practice with. I don't quite have that skill down, but genius. This was the first thing that I added to my cart when I shopped the sale, because I've been wanting this. I did restock on my favorite moisturizer. This was a deal that I felt was too good to pass up on. So it's my all-time favorite moisturizer. You guys know the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. There's no fragrance to it at all, and it's deeply hydrates the skin without sitting on top of the skin and feeling too heavy or greasy. So there's a lot of product in this, you guys. There's 8 ounces and you get this for $77. This is such an expensive moisturizer. So for this size, it's literally $115. And I know I'm going to use this up fully. So that's why I decided to get the jumbo. I personally don't encourage jumbos unless you know you love the product so much. So this was mine where I just know it's going to be worth it. Honestly, I've had people come over to my house and ask for refills, so I give them some of my products. So this was perfect. So for my friends and family, this is also for you, okay? I took one for the team. $77, a deal I couldn't pass up on because I know I'm going to finish this. Westman & Atelier is a brand that I've been wanting to try more from. I've gotten pieces here and there in the past, but they've launched a lot of stuff over the last couple of years that I want to get into, and I thought these sets were a good place to start. So the first one that I got is the Petite Baby Cheeks and Petite Lit Up Duo, and this one's really popular. I got the very last one in my store. It's $35 with a $52 value, and it comes with 2 minis, but these are nice, sturdy, not cheapy plasticky minis, which I appreciate. And in it, there is the Petite Baby Cheeks blush stick in the shade Petal, which I have this in full size, and I can confirm mine is old because that one felt drier. This one feels nice and creamy, so this one will replace my old one, and it's just the perfect rosy pink shade. So I knew I loved this, and I like the size of it, but I knew mine was old, so I thought it wouldn't hurt. And then a lot of people love their highlighters, and I'm not a big highlighter stick person, but I did want to give this one a go, and it really does give a glassy effect. This is the Lit Up Highlighter Stick, Petite Stick in the shade Nectar, which is very pretty. Please close this, twist this all the way down before you put the lid on, because I just annihilated the top of that. It's still usable, but oh my goodness. Anyways, it does provide a really pretty wet glow. I'm not sold on it yet, but I thought this was a great kit to try it out because $35 for Westman Atelier, pretty unheard of. And then the other set, which I told you in my recommendations video, I was gonna end up with this. So again, this was one of the first items I added in my set because I don't have any of these items in my collection. So this is the lip edition set from Westman Atelier. So this was $79. Like I said, that $35 for Westman Atelier is unheard of. But anyways, this is $79 with a $122 value because it comes with 3 full-size lip products, and I love their lip liners. The shade Biscuit is my all-time holy grail, so I got the shade J Rev to try. Well, this is in the set. I didn't pick it, but this is just a really gorgeous mauve shade. It's such a creamy, blendable lip liner, and then it also comes with the Lip Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade Rose, and this is extra creamy, you guys. It just melted on the lips. And then it also comes with a gloss in the shade Shoo Shoo, which honestly is just like a sheer light pink shade. I'm not sure yet how I feel about this, but I just thought this set was a very nice opportunity to get a few more Westman Atelier things in my collection while also saving a little bit of money. So the Westman Atelier kits are quite popular. They were pretty much sold out at my store, so I got like the last few of those, so I'm excited I got my hands on those. And then I did get another lip set from MAC. Again, I told you guys I was going to pick this up. So this is the Satin Soft Lip Combo, and I got a new lip liner in a shade that I already know and love, and then a new lipstick. So this is the Satin Soft Lip Combo Kit. This is a $50 value, but for the sale, it's only $33. In it, you get the iconic MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. It's a perfect neutral kind of mauve rosy shade. It actually is quite similar to J Rev, just a little bit lighter from the Westman Atelier kit. And then I was excited about the lipstick Cream in Your Coffee, and this is just the perfect neutral lip. I'm actually thinking about going back and getting the other shade, Cream Cup and Cork, because that lip combo looks really pretty as well. But I ended up going with this one because I thought it would be a really pretty everyday simple lip, and it is. It's gonna go with everything. So I thought that that was a good pickup. 2 products that I know I really like from a brand that I like, and it was a pretty good deal. Oh, I also last minute ended up picking up this set from NARS. This is the Total Seduction Eyeshadow Stick Duo. You know me and my eyeshadow sticks. I love an eyeshadow stick. They're quick and easy, they're mess-free. And I realized I had not yet tried the NARS eyeshadow stick. I think maybe I tried one shade, but I wanted a couple more shades to try out. So this set was perfect for me. It comes with 2 full-size eyeshadow duos. The first one is Laguna, which is the deeper one. It is metallic, but it blends out really nicely. So it does create a nice background. You can use it on its own. And then I used the shade Ablaze that it comes with, the lighter shade all over. Now these seem pretty nice so far. They're a bit subtle, so it's something to keep in mind. But hopefully they last a long time because using these two next to each other did create a really effortless, chic eye look. So far, so good. I'll have to keep you updated on the wear time of this, but I couldn't help myself. I passed on this. I was like, I don't need this. I don't need this set. I don't need this set. And then ultimately, when push came to shove, I was like, you know what? I want it. I want to show you guys. And I just want to know more about this formula. So might have used my job as an excuse to get this set. But actually, I'm really not regretting it. Look how pretty it is. How pretty. Okay, finishing up, I told you guys once again in my recommendations video that I was going to pick this up, and it's sold out. It's sold out at my store, so they are shipping it to me. So I don't have it yet, but I'm very familiar with all of these scents. I always get a Voluspa candle set. I love them in my house. I think they're so beautiful, the container that they come in. So I got the Fruits of Paradise Demi Candle Trio. This is $39. It's a great deal. After the sale, it's $60. But it comes with 3 delicious scents. There's Tahitian Coconut Vanilla. There's Goji Tarako Orange, which is a favorite of mine. I usually end up with one of those every single year. But creeping up behind it, which I think it might overpower the Goji Tarako Orange, is the Kalahari Watermelon. So these are more on the fruity side, but I like them because they don't give me headaches. They fill up the room with just enough scent, but nothing overwhelming. And like I said, really luxe, beautiful like cup that the candle comes in. So this to me was by far the best, my most favorite set that they had in terms of Voluspa, and they had quite a lot, but this was the one that won this year. And there we have it, you guys. That is everything that I picked up from the beauty section from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I think all of these, not only did they interest me, I can guarantee you everything in here is good. I bought, you know, products that I trusted from brands that I trusted, and I will have everything that I mentioned down below. Let me know what you ended up picking up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. If you were still kind of hunting, I hoped that I could give you some good swatches and demos to see if there was anything that you wanted to pick up. I also picked up some other things not related to beauty, so if you want me to share that, I will. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Again, huge thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's haul, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one. It's delicious.